When your Verizon TV box shows a blinking white light, it's trying to tell you something important about its current status. Here's what a typical Verizon FiOS box looks like. The front panel contains important status lights that communicate the device's current state. A solid white light indicates normal operation. Your box is powered on and functioning properly. However, a blinking white light signals that there's an issue that needs attention. The blinking white light typically indicates one of three main categories of problems. Let's examine each of these potential causes. Power issues account for about 40% of blinking white light problems. Signal problems make up 35%, while boot failures represent 25% of cases. Now let's walk through the initial troubleshooting steps, starting with the most effective solution: power cycling your device. Power cycling is often the most effective first step. Unplug the power cord completely, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect it. Allow 2 to 3 minutes for the device to fully boot up. This simple process resolves about 60% of power-related issues. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check all your physical connections carefully. Check that your power adapter is securely connected to both the box and the wall outlet. Inspect the power cord for any signs of damage, bending, or wear. Test your power outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it's working properly. Also, ensure that all coaxial cables are tightly connected, as loose signal connections can also cause the blinking white light. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of blinking white light issues. If your problem persists after trying these solutions, more advanced troubleshooting techniques may be required. When basic power cycling doesn't resolve your Verizon TV box's blinking white light, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. We'll cover cable inspection, service verification, factory resets, and prevention strategies. First, inspect all coaxial cable connections. Quality cables, like quad-shielded versions, provide better signal protection than economy cables. Check that all connections are finger-tight and look for any visible damage. Damaged cables with exposed wiring like this one will cause signal problems. Even small nicks in the outer jacket can let moisture in and degrade your connection over time. Before diving deeper into troubleshooting, check if there's a service outage in your area. Verizon's service status map shows regional issues that could be causing your problem. If your internet is working but TV service isn't, this indicates the problem is specifically with your set-top box rather than your overall connection. If cable connections are secure and there's no service outage, try a factory reset. This resolves boot failures and corrupted firmware issues that cause persistent blinking white lights. Important: a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, scheduled recordings, and saved content. Make note of your preferences before proceeding. Prevention is key to avoiding future blinking white light issues. Regular maintenance and proper protection can prevent most common problems before they occur. Set monthly reminders for power cycling, use quality surge protectors, and ensure your box has proper ventilation to prevent overheating. If these advanced troubleshooting steps don't resolve your blinking white light, it's time to contact Verizon support. This is especially true for older equipment or when multiple boxes have issues. Verizon offers multiple support channels, including phone, online chat, and their mobile app. Professional technicians can diagnose complex issues and replace faulty equipment when needed.